happy new 2020. I hope you had a very wonderful 2019 and I hope you're having a very wonderful beginning of 2020. So welcome back to my channel, and I thought of starting off this year with an hair video, and voila, this is the new hairstyle I thought of starting my 2020 with. And dear guys, I show you how to install these Faux Locs on your hair. So hope you enjoyed every bit of it, and I hope it's one of the tutorial videos that can be able to help you when installing them on your hair yourself. So guys, stay tuned and let's jump straight to this. So guys, I've already plaited full of my hair. I'm just remaining with this part so that I can show you how I achieve these braids to make these perfect locks. Faux Locs. How you achieve this. So I've just braided the whole of my hair, as you can see. So guys, the type of braid that I'll be using for this hairstyle is these sister crochet braids. Like so. I first of all unbraid it. It's easy unbraiding, and after you've unbraided, this is what you get. So guys, if you want a long length, what you do is just try and resize this strand over here so that this side can be shorter and this side can be longer. I'll be using to roll over this strand. Make sure to tighten it around this area. I'm remaining with all these full parts, so you'll take another full piece like so, then divide it into half. Step so that I can be able to go ahead and finish the whole. guys, something else to note that is that I'm not yet done with the ends. I just want to finish fixing all of it so that I can be able to now work on the, yeah, I really have a lot to do, so let me just get straight to it. I'll come back again when I'm halfway done. Hello, so I'm halfway done, so I'm just remaining with this part so that I can be through. So this is how the Faux Locs are looking now. I know they're not that perfect, but once I'm done, I'm sure they're gonna look great. So what happened is that I ran out of the initial braids, so I went out and bought this. Yeah, they're almost of the same texture. I went out and bought this. Yeah, they can also be used for the same cause. These braids, I've never used them before, but hopefully they'll work. They'll do the trick. Yeah, so let me just finish, guys, and get back to you when I'm done. So they're less shaggy right now. Though some are long, some are short, but that way. So at this stage, they are so painful. I can't even like bring them all back at the back. They are all so painful. I don't know how I'm gonna style it as I'm going out. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. So guys, I'll leave it up to here. So maybe I'll shoot another video after 2 or 3 days when they have a little bit relaxed, so that I can show you the final product. So guys, thank you for watching up to until now. See you later. Ta-da! So guys, I'm done and this is the final look. This is the final look, guys. What do you think? I hope you like it. So let me just show you how long they are. Yeah, they're not proportional, but I think I like them that way. And that's the back. Yeah, I love them crazy like that, as much as they're not proportional. Yeah, so this is how I look, guys. So this is like 3 days after the initial installation. Yeah, I had to wait for a couple of days for the hair to settle down a little bit so that I could not spoil my so I had to wait a couple of days so that my head was no longer painful, because I couldn't even bring them at the back. Not that this hairstyle is painful, but I didn't want to. Hope you know what I understand, what I mean. Yeah, so I'm just so happy with the hairstyle. I haven't put a lot of decoration and all that, but maybe with time I will. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. love it, so I'm just playing with it and trying to figure out which hairstyle look well. Yeah, and I can also put it like that. Yeah. Finally, I've ditched all those wigs from 2019. So this year I'm just gonna do more of braiding and more of natural hairstyle. Yeah, and guys, I've already started my journey to going fully natural. Yeah, I trim a little bit of my the permed hair. That's basically how this hairstyle is looking. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your support, and thank you for the previous support on my previous video. If you haven't watched it, this is the video on how I installed the Reggae Locs looks, and the video is doing well so far, and I hope this video is going to be a hit as well. Yeah, so thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Please share, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye. Oh, and have a happy new 2020. Bye, guys.